everybody, welcome to Crafty Anew. Today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul for the month of August. I found some really cool and new items that I think you're going to love. So stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Crafty Anew. Glad to have you guys back. Today's video I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree August haul where I found some really cool and neat items. So we're going to get right into it. The first bag, I'm just going to pull things out and just show it to you, and we'll talk a little bit about it. Try not to make this video too long because I do have quite a bit to bring to you. So we'll just kind of zip through it. If you enjoy this kind of content and farmhouse decor, please make sure you hit that subscribe button because I would really love to have you as a friend for life. And be sure to hit that bell so that you'll be notified of all of my future uploads because I'm getting ready to start all my fall decor DIYs and you guys aren't going to want to miss those. So let's get into it. So the first thing I found at the Dollar Tree is they actually have the Cloches, the Cloche domes. I think these are so cute. I only bought one because I only have one idea I want to do with it. Kind of wish I had bought two, but you can see they're nice sized cloche domes. And there's so many ideas that I have for these and so many things you could do with them. So I thought that was a nice find. Then I found some more of these signs like that have the wood like I did the fall in my last haul, which I'll link in the card above. Because they have some for fall, and I found some of these for Halloween, and you can do so much with these things because they have the hollow backs on them, so you can use them as like little stands, or you can use them to put on a tier tray even, or you can cut these. There's so many options for these. So I bought two of these, and I actually think these are kind of cute. I noticed Dollar Tree carries a lot of the Day of the Dead stuff, so. Then I found this cute little Scarecrow welcome sign. I thought this would look really cute in a wreath. And I love the little buffalo check plaid. Then I found these cute animal planters. These are so cute. They have 4 different kinds. They have a raccoon, I don't know what it is, a walrus, and a sloth, maybe? I don't know. Here's all the ones that they have on the side there. And they're perfect for like little succulents or anything. And I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree. If you've seen these, leave it in the comment below. Let me know what kind you found. But let's take it out and I'll show you the actual size and what they look like. So that's the actual size, and they're a ceramic, and look how cute. And that's big enough that you could put a little succulent in or have it sitting around. And I thought this would be cute for my Christmas village, which I do a lot of. I just do like the wilderness animals and the outdoors and stuff. I don't do a normal village. So I think this would look cute there, and put like a little evergreen bush or something in there. So I was excited to find these, and I really, they had all 4 of them there, but I don't know, the raccoon was calling my name, so that's why I got the little raccoon. And then the other Halloween stuff, I found 3 of these little broom picks, which I thought would be really cute in a Halloween wreath, or even a Halloween village if you're doing one of those. And they're not bad. They're pretty good size. And it looks like they're like they're black with like a dark brown. And you could also use this in some fall decor if you wanted. Just take off the bows and stuff. But that was new. I've never seen those at least at my Dollar Tree. Then I found some of these sticks, the wood stems. I've been able to find the birch and the little stumps, but I've never seen just the regular wood sticks. Hey, Wally! Wally's saying hi to everybody. So anyway, yeah, I was glad to see those because, again, I use these in my Christmas village, and these are good for, like, pumpkin stems when you start fall DIYing, and frames and everything. I was only able to find 1 pack. They only have 1 pack of these, and it looked like somebody had kind of stashed it because I was looking and I found it. It was hidden. So if you're watching this and you stashed the wood stems, I'm sorry. I also got me some happy fall signs, the big ones. And I got 4 of these, which I'm sure you guys have seen these hauled before, but these will make a pretty nice large sign, which I plan on doing with these, so you can see how long that would be. Of course, I probably wouldn't go outside unless you really sealed it. Then I found me a Farm Fresh pumpkin sign stake that you can put outside. I probably wouldn't put these outside either because it's the same kind of MFD board or whatever they call that. But you could use like all these little posts as a fence post, picket fence posts or whatever. I'd definitely be doing something with this. I just don't know yet. You know, I'm not one of those who plans out her DIYs a year in advance. I try, but I just don't have time. I've got a month in advance, that's about it. And then I also found me some of these leathers, which everybody's already seen these hauled. I'm kind of late to the party here. But I was able to find Gather, and these are nice. These are so nice to DIY with. I found Thankful, and I found Boo. And I also found the word family, but I already DIY'd that in my last video, and I'll link that in the card up above so you guys can see that, what I did with it. So yeah, I love that they have the Halloween too, because again, this would be cute with like, I don't know, you could make some ghosts on the side and make like a little topiary or something with it. I don't know. I was finally able to find the wood planks. Got me 2 packs of the long ones, and then I got me a pack of the square. I've been waiting on these to come in, so I was glad to finally see those. Yeah, see, we're just zipping right through here, aren't we? Found me a truck sign. Yay! Don't know what I'm going to do with it because it's kind of big and I don't know. We'll figure it out. Leave in the comments below what you would do with these. Give everybody else some inspiration and some ideas because that's what we're all about here at Crafty Anew. Sharing our ideas. Found a calendar. I know that everybody's been looking for these calendars and I found one. It's the Be Brave calendar too. So I was able to get the pumpkin and the Peace on Earth. Still can't find the Market Fresh calendar, but this one I love some of the pictures and the photos and stuff. So I have a few DIYs coming to you on that. Hopefully they're different than what everybody else has been posting. I've been seeing some of the same ideas with this pumpkin thing, so I'm going to try to come up with something a little different. I also found this calendar, Shine Bright. And I basically got this for the Fall in Love picture that's in there. Show you, let's see, right here. Isn't that just so gorgeous? And you guys, I've been reading that some of these calendars have been going online from $10 to $50. It's like, really? You can't just go and print the pictures out, like find that same picture? There's no way I would go on eBay and spend 10 or 50 bucks for a calendar. Sorry, there just is no way. When you can Google search those pictures and find the same ones and print them out. But I was glad to find those for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Did some pick and pack on DollarTree.com and was able to get some bulk items. And the only time I do that is I go through and I look for the pick and pack. And if it's items that I know I'll probably buy more than 4 of is when I order them if I absolutely can't find them in any store I've looked at around here. So pick and pack is actually, might be something you want to look into if you use a lot of the items. Like I used this in pick and pack. I bought a lot of these pumpkins because I knew I'd probably be using a lot of them, which I've already used one in a DIY and I'll link that in the card above also. But yeah, so I bought like, I think the minimum on these is 4, so I bought 4 of these. And again, I bought this on DollarTree.com with their pick and pack. And then I bought some of these on the pick and pack, which these are the pumpkin signs also. No, I did not. I take that back. I did not buy these on pick and pack. I bought this in the store. These I bought in Pick and Pack. I got 4 of these, which I knew I'd probably be doing a lot of DIYs with these because I think these are so cute and I've already got some ideas for these. It says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And then bought some square signs. Do a lot with these. So many different DIYs. Did I take that away too fast? A couple of the jar looking type signs. Bought me a couple jar signs. I thought, you know, everybody DIYs these. These are so cute. There's so many different things you can do with these. You could just paint on the back or the front or make it a twofer. A 2-for-1. Got me a bunch of these because, you know, again, this is the type of wood that you could use. And you notice this time these are just taped to the back, which I thought was kind of odd. Usually they're stapled. But yeah, that's just taped. So I guess they were expecting people to DIY these. And that's why they just taped them. They're just like, screw it, they'll just take out the staples anyways, we'll just tape them. And then another item I used Pick and Pack for is I got me some of the decorative mesh for Christmas. I wanted the red and the white in this mainly, but when you pick and pack, this was a minimum of 6. So, and 6, which if you realize now, this is just how they come packaged. That's why on Pick and Pack you have to order so many. And so I ended up with purple, blue, light blue, and green too. But we'll figure out something to do with those when springtime rolls around. And you could even use the blue for Christmas. I tried to get the fall, but they didn't have any at the time, so. And I found these. Aren't these so cute? I've got me 2 of these at the Dollar Tree. This wasn't a Pick and Pack. But I got 2 of these at the Dollar Tree. Aren't those so cute? I don't even think I'm going to DIY those. I think I'm just going to put something in there and, you know, put it around my other fall decor. Which, you know, you look at the paint job on some of these and I think I could have done better. But anyways, I think that looks cute. This Dollar Tree. It's what you get for $1. Then I found me a cute little pumpkin stake. Happy Harvest, it says. I may just leave this like it is because I like the little bicycle. Probably put it in my potted mums whenever I get those planted. You guys, I may be doing fall DIYs, but I can't bring myself to decorate for fall yet. I'm just going to be honest. I just can't bring myself to decorate yet. It's still like 90, 92 degrees here, and it's kind of hard to get into fall when you're still sweating inside with the AC on. And so I thought as soon as, which the first day of fall is actually September 21st. So I figured after Labor Day, it'll be safe for me to start decorating for fall. Hopefully by then the weather gets a little cooler. So I am not a fall person. I am a summer person. I like it hot. I don't like being cold. I don't like snow. We live in Indiana. Hate driving in it. It's miserable. I'm just being honest. I am not a fall person. But I love doing fall DIYs and I do love decorating. Just don't want to rush it. I enjoy summer too much. I'm a Leo, so warm weather. That's all I want. But anyways, I thought this would look cute in a potted mum. Let me know what your favorite season is. I know a lot of people are spring people because the weather's perfect. And I know there's a ton of people that's fall, but no, I'm summer. I'm all summer. My daughter's name is Summer, if that tells you anything. And it's spelled S-U-M-M-E-R. I found these 2 little metal trays, which I already know what I'm going to do with these, and these will probably be in my next video. I'm going to DIY these and bring it to you in my next video. And they're so pretty and Wally. Sorry about that. She doesn't like it when I talk. She'll have to make an appearance in a video so you guys can see how rotten she is. And you can never use too many tennis balls. Table tennis balls. Ping pong balls. I know exactly what I'm going to do with these. Everybody's been DIYing with these. I'm going to bring them to you. And we're just going to have some fun with some ping pong balls. And then the next fall item I found were these little brooms, like these little broom heads. What do they call these actually? Like broom swags, I guess? I don't know. Anyways, I thought this was so adorable and so cute, and there's so many things that you could actually do with this. But I think I'm going to leave it as it is and put it in a wreath, which will be a DIY coming up. A project. Do you guys like calling them DIYs, or is it a DIY project? Or let me know in the comment below. We'll bring these to you in a DIY project. How about that? Or a project. Whatever. But I'm bringing these to you in a video. How about that? We do that. Bringing you these in a video. And we're almost done here. And then I found some Halloween signs that said Haunted, Spooky, and Beware. Again, these will be so cute on a wreath. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Who's a pretty bird? It's a pretty bird. Anyways, I found these I think would be cute in a wreath. And they're the metal signs, just like the harvest, welcome, and stop sign. Thankful, harvest, and welcome. So, those are the two. We got Haunted, Spooky, and Beware, Harvest, Welcome, and Thankful. I noticed that these are bigger than the Halloween ones, so I don't know what's up with that. I guess it's just a different font for the Halloween. Color your own ornaments, wooden pumpkins. Again, so many things you can do with these. Can't wait for us to figure out what we're going to do with them. Got me some burlap leaves. I guess you can never have too many burlap leaves. And if you run out of burlap leaves, I can always use one of these and cut my own out of burlap. I was only able to get a pack of those. And then I got several of these wooden pumpkins. Again, there's so many things you can do with these. I'm sure you've seen these in other DIY videos, but I jumped on the bandwagon and got me a few. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. I actually can't wait to start DIYing for fall. So that's all I have for you today. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Hope you found some things that you can go to your local Dollar Tree and find. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all of my future uploads. And I want you guys to have a wonderful, fantastic day. Don't let the negativity of the world bring you down. Stay positive, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Bye!